and welcome back to another Capture It tutorial. Today's video is part 3 of the work order tutorial, which goes over client chat. So we're going to register a client device. We're going to go over the client chat feature. We're going to go over how to respond to a chat / create a work order as a foreman. And then we're going to go over some extra features. Alright, so let's register this device as a client. Under I'm a landscaper, you'll see I'm a property manager or homeowner. So we'll select that, then click the green arrow in the bottom right. So here it says property manager email. You want to make sure that you input the email address that you have in Capture. So I put in an email address as a client before, and it goes exactly like this. If you make a typo or make some other spelling error and try sending an email, it won't come up in the app. So just make sure it identically matches the email that you've already registered as a client. Click Done. Then click the green checkmark box arrow on the right. You'll see one or more of your landscapers have an account with Capture. We have sent you an email to confirm your registration so that you can write reports to them. Alright, so once you click OK, you should get a device registration email. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. So now we've logged into the email that I registered as a client. I see this email that we just received from accounts@capture.com. It says confirm registration of device. Just click the email, and then you'll see here confirm the registration of a device with a demo account, or it'll say your company account right here. Then it'll give you the detailed information for registration, just so you know it's not a phony device trying to register with your system. So now you just click the link to follow it. And once you see device has been registered to the client, you just click OK. And now we can go back to the client app on the device. So now I'm just going to go over the client chat feature. The first thing you're going to want to do is select a property. Then in the top right corner you see create work order request. Click the plus icon there. And now touch anywhere on the map to create a work order. It's different from the Foreman app in that it doesn't have an item inventory at the bottom that you can select from. You just have to mark an area on the map. So now once you drop the pin, the client chat opens up. Type your description of the issue. So since we placed the pin near a shrub, let's say a shrub needs to be trimmed. Now once I click this blue envelope here, it'll send a notification to the foreman with this exact work order. If I want to add a photo to the work order request, you click the blue camera icon in the bottom left. Give Capture It access to your camera just by clicking the OK button. And we can take a photo by clicking the blue camera icon here. We can skip the photo by clicking the yellow icon here. Or we can take a picture that's already been saved on our device by clicking this blue icon in the top right here. So now let's take a photo if we want. And we can click the green smiley face if we're okay with the photo. Click the red sad face to retake it. And then click the drawing icon in the top left, which is just a pencil icon if we want to draw on it. Alright, so now let's click save in the bottom right, this icon, so we can save the drawing. And then click the green smiley face to save the photo itself. If we want to add a note to the picture, or to the work order itself, all you have to do is click okay. As a landscaper that takes care of Test Home 2, if I want to see the work order chat that was sent to me, I go to the notifications icon in the top right and then just touch it. And I can see here my latest chat is on June 28th, and the times here. It shows the property name and then the work order number as well, and the status. I can open up the chat by clicking the blue chat icon right there. So now I see from George Williams right here, he says shrub needs to be trimmed, and he takes a picture of the door, which let's just say for this example is a shrub. If we want to respond to him within the app, we can type the message here. And then just click the send icon, and he'll get a notification either on his phone if his phone number is saved, in his client profile in the Capture website, or he'll get it on his notifications icon in his own client device. So we can send that message, or we can take a picture as well. And I took a picture earlier. It's just the same step that we followed before with the client when he took the picture and put it in the work order chat. Alright, so now let's create a work order. We'll go back here. We'll select Test Home 2. Since now we know exactly what we have to do on the property, after we let this loading screen go through, click Test Home 2, go to Create Work Order, go to Maintenance Request. Let's see, Tree Maintenance and Care. Oh, that's not that. Go back. We'll go to Shrub Maintenance. I don't know why I didn't select that before. Then Trim Shrubs. And right around here is where the shrubs needed to be trimmed, so we'll select that area. You'll see a pin drop. Let's take a picture of the shrub now. We'll draw saying it's been saved. Click yes. So now let's select a foreman to assign. Scroll down. We'll select Andrew. It's a maintenance request, so it's not billable. Just click the save icon on the bottom, then click the green thumbs up, and it'll submit the work order. So now let's see what this looks like from the Capture website. See the work order we just created from the website. You go to Field Reports, then go down to Work Orders, select Work Orders, and then look down from the work order list to see the work order we just created. Right here we can see the work order date, the time, and then we can see the work order request date from down here before. We can see the property name here, the work order number, the price. If you want to submit the work order, click the magnifying glass in the left part of the screen, scroll down, then go to Submit to Client. The Submit option allows clients to be notified when a work order has been created or completed with a text message and an email. You'll see a confirmation message appear asking you if you're sure you want to submit this work order to the client. Just click yes to send the work order, and you'll see successful work orders submitted to the client. So that's it for today's video. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at support@capture.com. I hope this video was thorough, and make sure to tune in for the next Capture video. Thanks again for watching.